Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Dusky Mermaid. I'm Himanshi Singh and I'm going to become the daughter of Joker and Harley Quinn Suicide Squad edition, and I'm going to start by prepping my face and whitewashing my face a little bit because I'm too brown to be their daughter. I don't know, genetics, whatever. So I'm using this Lakme primer and it really gives me this white cast that I hate but I like today. And I'm going with my Smashbox foundation. It's not very light in color. I don't have any light color, so I'm going by my usual foundation, but it will look quite white on this primer, so it will work. Yeah, chal jayega kaam. I'm going to dot it around my face. What was that? Okay, I did something. And I'm going to tap, blend. I'm also going to use it on my neck, but maybe I forgot to record that. And I'm going to use the Sephora concealer because I want to hide my under eye bags and scars, because I believe they both dipped in bleach, so their daughter won't have any, Oh, actually their daughter wasn't dipped in bleach. Then why am I whitewashing myself? Let it be. I want to look like my parents. Who's here to judge me? So this daughter is a fan of her father and has the skills of her mom, messy makeup and all, because I have really poor makeup skills. Don't judge me. And this makeup is inspired by the Christine Dominique video. I'll put the link in the description box. Check that out. Give that a vote. Although she don't need. She has million subscribers and I have... let's not talk about that. So now I have whitewashed my face again, and what I'm gonna do now, contour, because I don't think that such chiseled parents will have such a pumpkin looking daughter. So I'm going to chisel my face up. Yes, contour that tomato, that watermelon face, and I hope that I look a little bit slimmer. Contouring that nose, that fat ass nose. Much better. Now I'm going to contour my jawline also, and don't worry, I'll blend it up. I want it to look a little bit harsh so that I'll look chiseled, but I'll blend it out. Now I'm going to actually whitewash myself using this face powder from Miniso. I reviewed it and I hated it that time, but now I believe that it's a Halloween powder. And I'm going to apply it. It's almost like a talcum powder. If you don't have any, white powder, just use a talcum powder. It will work great. And see, I'm so professional. I'm also whitewashing my ears. Now I'm going to blend it because it's too flowery. Looks like I dipped in a can of flour. Yep, so professional I am. I have such big brushes that I don't know how to use. Oh my god, whitewashing my face now. My face is looking a tad bit oily. I don't want a healthy looking skin. I don't think Joker and Harley Quinn take care of their kids. They're busy robbing, doing villainous things. So I'm here whitewashing. See what their daughter is doing. Using her mom's makeup, smearing it all around her face like a maniac. Okay, I look really stupid. Yep, this will work. Blending will work. Blend. I zoned out for a little bit. I forgot actually what I was doing. There is something in this makeup. Some villain, some sinister things. Now I want to look like a human again. A glamorous daughter. Because I think Harley Quinn had great makeup and great blush. So I'm going to apply blush. This nude blush. Looks more like bronzer. But yeah, this works. Giving my potato face more chisel look. Not really, but yeah, we can say that to make myself feel good. Yeah, good. Work. Good. Now I'm going to start with the part I have zero skills with, the eye makeup. But the good thing is that neither Joker nor Harley Quinn have amazing makeup. They have their makeup all smeared around their eyes, so I have complete freedom. Still, I'm applying concealer like a professional just to pretend. And I'm using this Nykaa palette it is called Nykaa palette in shade Smokey at 8, and I'm also using this red shade from the palette NYX Petite in shade Nude or Bare Nude, I don't remember. So this shade from NYX palette. I'll put the names in the description box. Then using this black shade from the Nykaa palette, just smudging it around. I don't want any, perfect professional look. Yeah, looks quite good, quite messy. Just the way Joker will like it. I don't know why I'm doing this smoky eye look. Just go with the villain thing. Now for the lower lids, I'm just going with the same black and brown shades. Yeah, looks quite legit. Now for my eyebrows, I'm going to brush them and then I'm going to fill it in with this, what is this called? Nicka K palette in shade Birthday Cake, or that green shade. I'm filling it in my brows using this sponge tip. I don't know why I'm using this sponge tip. Maybe it was the only thing that was with me that time. I'm going to fill it. Yep, looks quite jokery, Harley Quinny. I don't know. Let's name this daughter. Comment down below. What do you think should be her name? The name of Joker and Harley Quinn's daughter. What should be she named? And now I'm going to put a scar because she's a bad girl and she gets into a lot of fight in school. She punched a little boy in nursery class and she was expelled for, I don't know, for stealing lunchboxes. Now time to cover my uneven lips and making them look a little bit pouty. I overline my lips a little bit. I learned that from Professor Kylie Jenner. She's a pro at that. I'm filling it in with red lipstick. I think that my mom's and dad's favorite. They both, rock red lipstick perfectly. And that's it. That's all for the makeup. Now, oh, I forgot the mascara. I'll pop on some falsies later, not on camera because I don't know how to do that. Now time to get some tattoos. It's a family tradition to get tattoos or else you will be disowned. I'll write J and make a heart for a tribute to both my mom and dad. Write both their names on my jawline, make a star for no reason. And now I'm going to write damaged on my forehead, freehanding that because I don't have any tattoo. I'm a low budget Joker. And well, I look good. Using B Blunt temporary hair color to color my hair green and look like my father.
Turn it on.